DailyFX BYOA contest for week 19. That is trading week of July 31st to August 5th, 2011. The trade I'm looking at actually just closed up a second ago. I was gonna try to film this trade in action, but it just kind of moved too quick. So it ended up closing out at about 126 pips profit. And I'm just going to talk about the analysis to kind of explain why I got into this and what my reasoning was. This is the EUR USD on the 4-hour chart. It is Monday. The stock market just opened up in New York. And the reason why I took this trade is because primarily this candle right here. As you can see, this big long candle here is kind of a shooting star formation, or a pin bar, or a Pinocchio bar, depending on how you want to call it. There's several different names for it, but essentially what it is it's a price rejection of a particular level or zone on the chart. So what you can see here is that we had that big low last week around 142 after that major break of this trend line. We got down to about the 142.3 level, and we've been steadily climbing. Now we have yet to close above the 144 level. So this big candle right here was pretty much just the bulls trying to push the market above the 144, and then ultimately it closing back below the 144 and closing at the same spot it opened up at. Now that is a very, very good sign if you want to short, okay? Because what we're trying to do here is trade based off of a contrarian thinking or a contrarian mindset in the market. So if the bulls are trying to push it and it closes back below, this is showing us that all those bulls are going to get pulled back in, and we're going to short this for a big profit like we just did. So one thing I want to talk about here is confluence. Anytime you've got confluence on a chart, you know your probability of success is going to be much higher. And confluence is anytime you've got two signals or two indicators that are occurring on the chart that are pointing to the same direction or pointing to the same confirmation that you are taking as a trader. So for example, if I want to short here, confluence to me would mean that we are retesting this ascending trend line that we broke, and we're retesting this critical support at 144.3. So we have a retest of both and a big close beneath it. Now for me, that is all the confluence I need to make a trade. If you seek more confluence, all you need to do is look at the MACD. So as you can see, if I scroll back here, when we made this previous high here around 144.3, we did on a fairly high scale on the MACD. That's good for us, okay? Because now when we're looking at the same high we just made, we did it on a very, very low level on the MACD. This is a sign of weakness to me. Even though price is going up, it's doing it on a very, very weak scale according to the MACD. So for me, if you've got confluence, if you've got divergence, that's all I need. I don't need to look at any other indicators or need to follow the news or what anyone's saying. Price action is basically telling me everything I need. Okay. So anyways, I had two targets based on this one. I was risking 60 pips, about 65 pips, so I put my stop loss above this high shooting star candle here, or doji candle. And then I was targeting a 1-to-1 ratio here, which was at the 143.2 level. And my 2-to-1 just closed out down here. As you can see, I booked 126 pips of profit. That was it down at 142.6. So I hit a 2-to-1 on this. Anytime you're trading with that sort of 2-to-1 risk reward, you know that you're in a very good setup. Okay, and it's pretty simple. If you lose 50% of your trades, but you're still trading 2-to-1 and you're still using the same lot size, in the end you're going to profit. And I think that's huge for beginner traders or even advanced traders. Okay, so that's about it for the video. My goal per week is about 100 pips a week. I aim for anywhere from 400 to 500 pips a month. So for me, the trading week just started, and as far as I'm concerned, I'm kind of done trading for the week unless I get another very, very solid setup like this one. So thanks for watching, and good luck trading to everyone else.